Yan. Ha?
Sapatos.
Ikaw nag-ano. Bayo aman ako gabsing kuan. Biskuit mo. Good morning. Oh my God. Sanhal. Hulusan. Wala na bampay.
Karade?
Oo. Susunod. Nasa makaugong yan. Hindi ka maluwi. No? Yan po. Ano sa? Hi! Thank you sa likes.
Cutie. Thank you.
Dapat di, katunga lang na tabo, di man nauubos yun.
Patunga lang, sige.
Sinunta kayo ng marata sa babang tubig.
Nagkinabahugan kahapon ang mga yan. Nahubahugan mo kahapon ang mga yan.
Sabihin,
Nasa doon.
mabugang kapila ko rin ba?
Sa bagay, may nani ka madali mo na ito.
O wali, ito. Ito. Gusto ko yung mabat.
Rugi as para ano yan. Lalo ang rugi niya na. Hindi nakalandit. Rugi. Eh, kung sa diran dito, natin man. Tama lang. Ano na yun? Ha? Rugi.
Tangan ko.
Nagkakamang daw ka ba?
Kaya lang yung tiro na sa pinta.
Nagkakamang daw ka.
Yung pinta mo kaya din.
Oo.
Tingin mo.
Okay na. Wala bang kayo? Pero ito, walo. O, magbayad doon sa English nila. Ha?
Tangan lang.
Oo, magbayad doon sa English nila. Ilan ba sa'yo? Sila na ito, hindi yun lang pala. Gaya na pag-iwan ako.
Sakto.
Gaya na ulit ka ulit. Ang importante may tangkal na. Ano pa sa bako ko naman natin, ha? Ano pa tatagal niya naman?
Magdala dito sa magdala.
Madadala naman. Tapos madadala ka naman. Lalo na lang ba ang sinisyon?
At pinagsatot sa ako lang sige.
Ang matutula naman sa ano, may sarili talaga namin. Pakay. Kumani kunyay. Dermot, Don. Hello, Donali. Donali.
Basta. Kami. Chocho.
Nanandus eh. Holiday. Araw ng Kagitingan.
Sino ang kwalita din si Papay?
17. Kaysan mo yan ito i-dispose?
Pichilis. Ako kami sa imentero ano. Say plus size. Plus harap na plus 1,000 na tubo. So plus 1,000. Libo.
Oo, sabi magtubo pa wala ma.
Plus 1,000.
Mas magtubo ka sa kribot, mamasin susunod.
Di wala tayong tubo. Ah.
Di mamasin. May kikon ang tubo mo, iak-asin so ko yun. Galing na to. Wala ako si Kuhan.
Plus distribution. 1,000 na pangpapay. Doon. Sambagan nila.
Si ano na yan? may restore akong tao kaso naka-live ngayon. No? Confidential pala yan. Hindi na lang yun. Magagamit yung didi. Ano yung didi ba? Dito sa kuan, sa mansion. Ay ko, ano naman yun? Ito yun. Sa kwarto ko. Kuha na niya yun. Magagamit pa yun. Takan sin mga pagkaon ba? Bugas.
Bugas. Takang bugas.
Kaya na, bukbuk baga ang bugas.
Stock mo lang yung version mo ha.
Ha?
Stock mo lang sa version mo.
Okay na ba mo ah?
Ha? Ha? Okay. Sumo lang yun. Sumo lang yun.
Ikaw na yan. Murot-murot mo sa mga kausta.
Hi Phoenix. Hi babe, Phoenix. Hello. How are you? Really here. Winning. Dus na pala niyan, dus na. Ang bakit? Ay, 20 maybe. Iba mang pala Mayo pala ito na email ko. Mayo sa aga ngayon. Kaya di ka man na mali man ito na mali man ito na kalinda na ini mo buhay mo dali.
Oh, yeah, ito?
Mali man yun na kalinda na ini mo dali. June, July yun.
Taon yun.
Ano yun di? Mayo, June. July no? July ka baga.
Yun yan, yun pa?
Kaya nga, nagkano kasi ko.
Oh.
Hit the like, please subscribe. Thank you, Phoenix. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, babe Phoenix. Phoenix. Thank you.
Ay. Oh, sino na nasaka? Atong ba?
Doon lang, ayun.
Seven 30. Sigitang, 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 sigitang. Hello, Cheryl, my love! My love! Hi, Phoenix, from my love. Yep, yep. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, my love. Hello, Mike from Phoenix. Hello, guys. Kwan, my girl. Kwan and ano, my girl. Kwan. Kuwan and ano. I was cooking dinner for my son. Wow. That's nice for Phoenix. Hi, 8 people. Mike, Cheryl. Hi. Thank you, Phoenix. Thank you, babe, Phoenix. Hi guys, morning, good morning, San. Kumusta? Maulan. Maulan dito ngayon. Cute outfit, share. Thank you. Thank you, Penny. Cute outfit. Hello, how are you there? Is it raining? Maulan. Maulan dito. Raining. I can translate it. Naon ko yung auto-translate. Ay, translated. Auto-translate kaya. Ganon. Let's get split. Yes, I'm a lady boy. Oh look, I'm a lady boy and I have a muscle the lady boy. What's up, madlang people? Yes, I am a lady boy. Lady boy. I have a new manager moderator, so FYL can leave me a comment so I can mod by all. Okay, okay, my Phoenix. Thank you, Phoenix. I have 2 manager mods now cleaning up my channel. Okay. Really, lady boy. I told him not to block you both. Why? Me? Phoenix? What do you mean, Phoenix? Me, tama. I like manga because Phoenix, what happened? They don't like me. They don't like me and Mike, something like that. They hate me. Something like that. I'm saying I will have you both as mother. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. I'm saying I will have you both as moderator. Okay. You want a mango cuz. I love mango. I like mango. I like manga because translated kasi. I like mango. I love mango, yes. I love mango.
Ay, ada dulu. Tarong mo. Tarong.
Uy, mga balo na dito.
Mga bado ni gab na maliit.
Oo.
Sabi ko, ibigay na lang din mo sa sayo. Din sa mga sayo.
Oo. Ayan. Oo. Tag na lang yung camera.
Balag lang ay.
Kasi kantan ko eh. Dali may shirt din na maliit na lang. Pagtamboy na lang ito. Ibutang mo na sa karton para maano. Ay, yung sabi na karton tayo, ibutang mo na isang pula. Nalang na. Ay, ba't ba nandito ay kamo yan? Ay, ba na, ba't maksain mo? I like Sheryl better the mango. Jadi ka ini kan tentu ini. Jadi tu. Sa ako ini sa ako. Kantan to yan.
Banang ingkab ang pagmakinig sa bahay. Sa ako, manghibas-hibas ng ang
Dito naman tulog yan. Wala na space. Mike, of course you are. Oh my god. It's a lot of Mingo and Cheryl's house. Just tell them. I told you so. I love you, Sheryl and Mike. I can't wait for Mike to get to Philippines. September is not too far away. Yes. I'm excited. My God. I'm excited, Phoenix. Right. July, August. My God, 2 months. Oh, like 2 months and a half. Piling in Manila, di ka ba nilalamig? I wish I could go to the wedding. Oh, Phoenix, please, can you come here? Hope you come here, Phoenix. Oh my God. Phoenix, can you come here in the Philippines? Where are you? Phoenix, we're visiting you. Are you living in Manila? I am US. When we go there with Mike, we will be sitting you there. Something like that. Do you think you can do a reading live stream? Yes, I think. Yes, I think. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, Phoenix. I will do live stream. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Happy pose. Hello. People's Pool. September is, no, nag-move siya, kasi masama 'di ba pamahiin. Nag-move siya, dapat hindi sukob kay kamatay lang ni Papay. Nag-move siya January, something like that. You are beautiful and very sexy. Thank you, Filipuso Gliamegleo. Filipuso, hello, Filipuso. Hi, Filipuso. Oh yeah, it's bad luck to get a wedding in the seniors. No, bad luck. Pamahi. Thank you so much. It's better to follow than sorry. Yes, tama. That's right. Please don't think I would never not like you. You are one of the sweetest Filipinas I ever met. Never think that. Thank you, Phoenix. Thank you, Big Phoenix. I like your message. Thank you, Big Phoenix. Please don't think I would never lie. Oh, I love it. Never. Yes. Thank you. I really want to go see you and Mike sometimes. Thank you, babe. Are you in the USC, Phoenix? Yeah. Mau yata? I think Phoenix living in the US. Thank you, my love, Mike. Thank you, big Phoenix. Texas. I'm in Texas. Phoenix, living in Texas, nice. Guys, how is Mama holding on? Okay naman si Mamay. Okay naman si Mamay. Medyo, kailangan libangin lang. Ma'am, okay? Naka-translate. Naka-translate. Ano ito? Iba pala pag naka-translate. Palipad. Ibang meaning pag translated. Part to the dance. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's good. Just make sure she always has someone with her, because if she is alone, she will feel it, the sadness of being no mao. Of being no husband, mao nga. Yung nakasanayan na, tapos ang mahabang panahon, halos buong buhay mo na. I sold couple things today. Yes, thank God. And couple people are interested in a few of my other things. Oh my God, really? Oh. Thank God. Thank you so much. Are you moving to the Philippines for good mic? Yes, I need tons of money to spoil my my God. Something. Yes, sir. Million dito. Oh my God. Oh my God, Mike. Tons. I need tons of money. Spoil that gorgeous lady. Oh my God. Mike. He spoiled me. Thank you, 7 million in the house. No worries, Mike. Good for you, Mike. Cheryl deserves the boy spoiled to be. Sana all. Don't worry about that, Mike, my God. You know I'm not kuan. I use living kuan. Mike, I hope you both know that I have all respect for both of you and you're both going to be blessed. Thank you, Big Phoenix. Thank you so much. Phoenix, I already started spoiling here. Did you see her ring? Scooter, oh my god, I'm a big... I'm in big trouble. Oh my god. I saw that. Oh my god. Need tons of money. Wait. Super tons of money. Oh my god. Cheryl's very deserving. Thank you. Thank you, Big Phoenix. Thank you, my love, Mike. No worries about the money, Mike, my god. Done. Juan. Sure. Thank you, Phoenix. Super tons of money. Oh my god. maybe someone lurking me she said I'm scamming you, something like that. Oh my god, me, I scam you? She will cry, she will be mad. No worries. Okay, then we live in at the end. Like a hat, something like that. Me, I can live with that. I don't know you. Sabi ko pupunta ako na lang kasi maano ko na kayo. Dali pa mga theories. Ayun sa sa ano na sa pag ano na pag matapos na yan kay mamanta may move man yun eh. Yours are not bad. yards oh yeah, yards na are not bad. Saan mo gade? Ambot daw mudo ko daw maalam dapat mama yan. Ay, dili lang yun. Ano ba sabi dili sa akin? Wow, ito lang sa lahat. Ayun ha, go away, go dito na. Did you see that brag? That bag? That will be what shopping bag looks like. What are you doing? Fixing your room? Yes, fixing the room. Attend with air condition. Oh my god. I told you that's why I can live even a simple home. But you cannot live with that. Yes, there you go. Yes, Phoenix sure loves shopping. Might need bigger bag. Online shopping. I have a pimples. It means my period is coming. The signals. Serving me up. Diba sinabi mo hanggang wakas? Sir John! Hi, Sir John! How are you, Sir John? Rainy here. Raining. John, hello from Big Phoenix. Very well, thanks. And you? Me, I'm very good. I'm very good. Hey, Phoenix from Sir John. Where's Uncle Freddy? He's probably lurking. Maybe he's working. Maybe something like that. Sir Fred. Sir. Sing hallelujah. Fred doesn't work. He just watches everyone's work. Thank you, 7 people lurking. Sing hallelujah. Fred, maybe he's moving if the grass is dry. If the grass is dry. Sing hallelujah. I have to go for a shower po. See ya later. Thank you, Sir John. Sir John, thank you so much for joining here. God bless. Have a nice day. Bye, babe. Mike. Bye-bye. From Phoenix. Phoenix. Phoenix, by the time he finishes mowing, it's time to start all over. Takes him all weeks to mow. Wow. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thanks for likes. Sing hallelujah. Cause wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here with I thought you were taking a shower. Cheryl, my brain is low. The heat is getting me. Okay. I thought you were taking a shower. My brain is slow. The heat is getting me. What are you doing today, Cheryl? Finishing course? Not maybe another Sunday. The other one. Because someone working here is having a work Monday to Saturday. She will work here. Another he will work. The worker is only Sunday available. Sing hallelujah. Thank you so much. Ruben Espinosa. Hi, Ruben Espinosa. Oh my God. Sing hallelujah. Ay, shit. My God, I'm going to sleep early tonight. Didn't sleep much last night. I'm really tired. Okay, you need to sleep. Wait. Bye-bye, everyone. I need to talk to Mahabi before he going to sleep. Bye.